Alright, so we're camping, Northern California. I suck as a cameraman, so bear with us, guys.
One of the things we wanted to do on this trip is torture test the Rajah II. So we found this down oak. Oak is really hard wood. So we're going to see how it does. We need some firewood. Let's get in here.
Let's enlighten you with a story about a young fella from a small town. In his age, most things are boring. It takes me 6 minutes to show you around. I didn't say it to make you kiss me. I didn't say it 'cause I want your pity. I wanna fight, I wanna drink, I wanna live. When I get older, I'll lock up things. There are some things that you shouldn't know. There are some things that should be untold. There are some things that you shouldn't know. There are some things that should be untold. Should be untold. Should be untold.
That edge held up really well. There's not even a burr on it. Chop that whole thing.
Still hair popping sharp?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Want to try to do some batoning with it?
Yeah.
Want to baton this stuff? This stuff's hard.
Best test we can get.
When I was younger, I was trusting and able to make friends with you when I shouldn't have. That's the kind of things I need to get over. Being so dumb can put you in the ground. If you choose me, then you'll see it's over. And if you kiss me, you can say goodbye. And even though we aren't exactly like mirrors, you love this boy from a small town. I didn't say it to make you kiss me. I didn't say it 'cause I want your pity. I wanna fight, I wanna drink, I wanna live. When I get older, I'll lock up things. There are some things that you shouldn't know. There are some things that should be untold. There are some things that you shouldn't know. There are some things that should be untold. Welcome to this small town. Have a seat, drink and sing. Welcome to my ocean. The air is easy and salty. And I don't mind if you don't mind me. Sing for your life, sing for me. Let our song echo and ring in a million years for eternity. Oh, I'm home now, as home as I'll ever be. Oh, close your eyes and hold on to me. Welcome to the forest, tall trees staring at me. But I truly like the silence before the music, our music comes in. And I don't mind if you don't mind me. Sing for your life, sing for me. Let our song echo and ring in a million years for eternity. Oh, I'm home now, as home as I'll ever be. Oh, close your eyes and hold on to me. Oh, I'm home now, as home as I'll ever be. Oh, close your eyes and hold on to me. Home now, as home as I'll ever be. Close your eyes and hold on to me. And I don't mind if you don't mind me. Sing for your life, sing for me. Let our song echo and ring in a million years for eternity. Oh, I'm home now, as home as I'll ever be. Oh, close your eyes and hold on to me. Oh, I'm home now, as home as I'll ever be. Oh, close your eyes and hold on to me. I know. If I leave this time, it's the last time I'll come home. Oh, I'm home now, as home as I'll ever be. Oh, close your eyes and hold on to me. I know.
Cold Steel.
There you go, guys. If you only have one knife that you need to be able to throw, defend yourself, clean animals, catch any fish, or
Even start a fire. Now, one of the things we teach in our classes, you don't run off the blade of your spine. This isn't even a 90-degree spine, and I'm still getting sparks. Now, if I turn that around and I use the blade, look at that.
guys, we don't advocate using the blade. Okay?
Ever. But if it's a I'm gonna die situation, survival situation, you can use the blade of the knife.
You know, we'll start a fire tonight, guys, and show you how to start a fire with a ferrocerium rod. I think that's our next one in the series anyways.
You can even use the thumb plate.
Here it goes.
Cold Steel.
I look into the space for some kind of answer. Search in your face for traces of sorrow, laughter. The book of you, I want it all. Give me all your chapters, but you are hard to read between the lines. Do you remember when you saw me? I mean, for the very first time you really saw me. We told each other anything we could do together. So the love of my life won't tell me that you've stolen me, that you've chosen me, closing in night and morning, forever searching me. Tell me your secrets. Tell me your secrets. Tell me your secrets. That you've stolen me, Tell me your secrets. Do you remember when you told me that I was yours and only yours, that you've stolen me from myself, from my own thing? Do you remember that you told me that you've stolen me, that you've chosen me, closing in night till morning, forever searching me? Tell me your secrets. Tell me your secrets. That you've stolen me, that you've chosen me, closing in night till morning, forever searching me. Tell me your secrets. Tell me your secrets. Some days it feels like I'm invisible, and some days it feels like I am no one, and some days I just wanna end it all. I wanna end it all. If you could ask me if it was true or false, would you care and would you ask me? I know a lot of things I'll never...
Finally got it.
You got it?
Finally got it.
Dang.
And that's what it took.
With anyone, I'm gonna sing you one last song. I'm gonna give you one last story. You made yourself, this is the way you are. Do this for you and do this for me, and you can tell me if I'm wrong.
Look at that. Are you getting that?
Yeah.
Get close.
Hey, get over here, tie it.
And that metal's still not breaking.
And do this for me. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And do this for me. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And do this for me. Someday I know that I'll escape it all. Someday
Alright, what's up guys? We really appreciate you guys sitting through this video, watching all the pressure testing that we've done with this Rajah II. One thing I wanted to point out to you guys is this Rajah II is the older steel. It's the older version of the Rajah II, the AUS-8A steel. The Rajah II that I carry now and that Fenris carries on us for our EDC is the CTS BD1 steel. You guys, there's a ton of stuff all over the forums, blade forums and things like that talk about this steel versus this steel. This is a significantly better steel according to everybody's opinion. But the fact that this steel held up so well and that this knife held up so well in the video that you saw is amazing. It even far exceeded our expectations, and we know how good that the steel is and how good this knife is. One of the things that I wanted to point out is after we broke the tip off of this, we continued to use it and we continued to abuse it. So one of the things that we do, and if you haven't seen in any of our budget training videos, is we try to carry the exact same knife in training than we do in real life. So what we did with this, and I'll walk in a little bit closer so you guys can see it, is we ground the edge down so it's completely safe to use, and we rounded the tip off so it's completely safe to use. It closes, it locks really well, it's not loose by any means. This thumb stud's not loose by any means. So now I can take my actual knife out if I want to train with it, and I can put this knife in my pocket and I can train and do everything that I need to do to deploy the knife when we're doing actual force on force training. That's a great idea for all of you guys out there for whatever knife that you carry on you for your EDC to have that exact same knife that you're going to have in your training. If you guys like the Rajah II, I can't say enough great things about it. Cold Steel far exceeded our expectations, particularly with this knife. We really appreciate Cold Steel for giving us the opportunity to do a demo on this knife and pressure test it, and we appreciate you guys watching. As always, guys, stay savage.